Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming input. Plug in your keyboard and press keys in a text app to verify response. Then open Among Us and head straight to Settings, Keyboard, change Interact, and map keys to ones you reach comfortably. Once done, quit to the main menu and launch a local lobby to test bindings, because in-game context can differ. Make sure Mac OS shortcuts don't conflict. If necessary, disable conflicting hotkeys in system preferences before proceeding. You move with WASD or arrow keys. Choose whichever feels natural and remap if you're left-handed. Press E or space to use consoles, open doors, and submit tasks. Set them consistently to avoid mistakes. For quick navigation across the map, assign Tab or M to the map toggle. Once assigned, practice moving and opening the map quickly so muscle memory forms. If movement feels slow, tweak sensitivity in settings and retest until walking and interacting feel fluid. You finish by testing everything in a live lobby. Complete a task, report a body, and, if imposter, use vents with the assigned keys. Also open chat and use emotes. If a key doesn't work, check Mac OS keyboard layout and accessibility settings, then quit any remapping tools like Carabiner or Controller Mate because they can block inputs. If problems persist, restart the game and then the Mac. Finally, reinstall Among Us only if input still fails.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.